If you want to learn the basics of sound design, you actually shouldn't learn them from me. I actually don't have any resources out there on the absolute basics of things like file formats and sample rates and all that sort of stuff. But thankfully, someone else does. His name is Jeff Cole, and he has a website that lays out all the basics, especially the technical ones, on sound design. So things like sample rate, monitors, how to mix, what gear you should get, all the stuff that, frankly, I am too bored to even dive into. So if you check the description below, you'll see a link to Jeff's website where he teaches you everything for free on the basics of technical sound design. So things again like gear, monitors, studios, signal flow, all the stuff you absolutely need to know if you're getting into the world of sound design. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified, literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.